Hello to all my YouTube fans. How are you today? Well, thank you for tuning in today's vlog. If you're wondering what I am doing today in my room, I'm going to show you how to update a desktop computer's Windows 10's operating system, because that's what it's actually running right now, and it seems okay. And plus, this is going to take a little bit longer for the installation of the update, because it's over the wireless instead of over the LAN port. Now, what I'm going to do is show you step by step how to get the update and how to update your machine. Now, of course, this was basically an upgrade Windows 10 for this whole desktop. It used to have Windows 7 on it, but now it's running Windows 10. Let's go ahead and show you what I mean. Let's boot it up and find out what's on. Time to turn on the old eMachine desktop computer to update Windows 10 on it. Basically, that's the old machine now. Gotta hit the spell switch. And it is running Windows 10 perfectly fine, but like I said, this eMachine is pretty old and pretty ancient as well. But I don't know how well it'll work with Windows 10. I was thinking maybe we can probably change the operating system. Maybe like put Linux or something on it, because I think that would be kind of neat to run on this older piece of hardware. But yep, there's your favorite Squirrely World Windows 10. And that's the logo right there. It's just going to turn on eventually here. And it does. Let's go ahead and sign in. Now basically, this is just a very old system. You can see it says, welcome to Windows. Basically. And there's desktop. Alright, we'll boot and we'll get into the updating. Alright, before we do any updating on this old computer, let's see what version of Windows 10 this computer is running. Alright, first of all, take your mouse cursor, go down to the bottom corner, right there, you can see, here. Go to settings. This is how the start menu looks like, but this is actually going to change once you do the update. Now, in here, we're going to go to devices, power, notification, and apps. Right here. Go down below. And you're curious, there's the version of Windows 10 this old computer is running at. A pretty old system, isn't it? Alright. Once you figure that out, let's go ahead and hit the update button. Time to update Windows. And it looks like this computer has a lot to update on. Well, I guess we'll be back eventually when this thing is done doing its updating, I guess. We'll find out what's going to be changed or what's not going to be changed. I don't know. We'll find that out in a couple minutes. Well, this is a bit of an update for you. I don't think this computer is going to do any type of updating, but it's still at 0% download of updating. And basically this is what it's downloading, if you're curious on what it's doing. But I don't think this is going to change to the newer version of Windows 10. Now, of course, remember, you're talking about a very old computer over here. Okay, this computer really wasn't designed for Windows 7 or 10. This was originally a Vista computer. But you know what, we're going to try my best and see what it's going to be able to do. If it's going to download the Windows updates for this old computer or not. If not, I don't know. But alright, well, we'll keep you guys posted and updated on this old thing and see what she's doing. Alright, now it's time to finally update this old e-machine. We have 4 things we need to download apparently. And of course this is going to take a very long time over Wi-Fi. I don't have Ethernet in my room right now. But let's go ahead and hit the installation here. Of course what it's going to do, it would start installing some of the actual programs like it's supposed to. Then we'll just keep checking on it, and you see it's 0% right now. Eventually we need to go from 0 to 100, but this computer is just so old. I just don't know what else to do with this old computer. Thinking about putting a different operating system on it. I don't know. What do you guys think? Should I put Linux on it? I think I should do that. But alright, I'm gonna let this do this and be bored with it, I guess. Well, here we go with this old e-machine computer. Well, we have a couple issues with installing a couple of the Windows 10 updates. But now, guess what? Now we can finally restart this old piece of junk over here and see if it's going to install any new updates for this computer. But you know what, this computer is just so old, but I don't know what else to really do with it. And it says here, do not shut off computer. But you know what, it's not a bad computer. It's just when you're trying to update computers and you upgrade and stuff like that, it's better just to buy a PC. It already has Windows 10 in it, instead of trying to upgrade them from Windows 7 to Windows 10. It doesn't always seem to work right. Well, I will hope to get back to you soon when this thing has decided to do its updates. Alright, kids, we finally got up to the login screen of Windows 10, and you kind of notice one thing. My clock is on, that's not the right time. The time is right down there. Like, oops, here's a new battery. Alright, let's go ahead and log in this old beast, I guess. I don't know, but I don't think this has changed at all from Windows on the Windows 10 operating system to this one. Trying to remember my pin here. Sometimes this computer's a little fiddly. It doesn't always allow me to log in. But by the way, this is basically the old desktop. And basically nothing has really changed that much from the previous version. But let's take a look anyways. Alright, back to the same thing. Yeah. Go here. Go down to your account. Not much. Not much has changed. Alright, tubes. If you're so brand new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. Leave a comment down below. Please like, please share. Peace out, bye guys and girls. We'll hopefully see you in the next vlog. Alright, catch you later.